treehouse ticking under candy sky. Every hour giggles, every minute spins, powered by the laughter of the squirrel twins. Ring-a-ring, the bell goes ding, the clock hands dance, and the bluebirds sing. Wind up the moon, polish the sun, time in the treehouse is always fun. Mouse in pajamas sweeps the wooden floor. A sleepy owl yawns near the cuckoo door. Marshmallow pillows, jam jar lights, dreams come alive on tickly nights. A turtle in slippers makes honey tea, while shadow puppets play at 3:30. Stars join in with a gentle hum when the sky goes whoosh and the night has come. Tick-Tock Treehouse, stay with me in a world that giggles like a bumblebee. Morning or midnight, rain or sun, time in the treehouse is always fun.
Thanks for visiting the Tick-Tock Treehouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more magical stories and rhymes. Sweet dreams!